Hello good people, this is North back again with another video. Today I'm just going to do a simple unboxing of one of the fragrances from Al-Jazeera, Paris. This is my first time making a purchase from this particular house. Al-Jazeera, I believe, means field or like pasture or plain or garden in Arabic. All right, so it's the same name as the news company, but this is the perfume company. This also supposedly is based out of Qatar, but the fragrances are manufactured in France. In my previous video, I told you that from this particular place, this is where I get all of my Montal fragrances from. So this is where I purchased them from, and this is their house fragrances. So this is my first one. This one is called Fine Art. There's also one called Art Deco or something like that. So here's the box. Okay. All right. I haven't heard anybody really talk about this house on YouTube at all. I mean, the ones that I have seen have only been in Arabic. There was one brother that did have a bottle, I believe. It wasn't AAA, it was another oud fragrance. I can't remember exactly what it was. I think it was called Gold or something like that. But that was the only English-speaking one that I could find that talked about any of these fragrances. I'm not gonna talk too much about the scent today. I'm just gonna unbox it. So let's get it open. So here we are. It says it's an eau de parfum made in France. Again, this is the box. Let's get it open. It opens just like this. The bottle fits snugly inside. Okay, and it has a really nice design on it. Okay, all of this is really nice. So it has the Al-Jazeera here. It says Al-Jazeera Paris embossed in it. So this is a very nice bottle. The cap just goes on. It seems like, oh yeah, the cap is magnetic. That's pretty cool. So the cap is magnetic. Now, when I was testing these different ones to see, I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick one up. I'm gonna pick one up, but I wanna try one. And this was one that I liked. There were a couple others that were okay. I didn't find anything that really like blew me away. But this one seemed like more of a citrus. Now, I'm not even gonna spray it on my hand because right now I have, from Abdul Samad Al-Quraishi, I have the deer musk. So I'm not sure what's going on with my camera today. I have the deer musk. Okay, there we go. I have the deer musk. So I have this on, and this is very, very strong. So I just made this makeshift test strip. So see if I can get some, from what I remember, it had some citruses in it, a little bit of vanilla. So let's see. Here's the cap. So let's get it on. Let me see what I get. Yeah, I get citruses, I get a little bit of vanilla. This is definitely a spring and summer type fragrance. That's what I get from this. But this one is really nice, right? This, to me, for my taste, this was the best one for my taste at the time. And it's getting kind of hot, so I wanted something that I didn't have to wait 6 months to wear. All right, let's see if this lighting is a little better. But again, this is like a spring summer fragrance. All right, I was just trying to get the cap, just says Al Jazeera on the top. Okay, let me get one more smell. Yeah, you get citruses. I believe it has mandarin in it. maybe some lime. touch of vanilla. So this is Fine Art by Al-Jazeera Perfumes. I'll try to come back to you with a full review on it, since again, no one in the fragrance community is talking about this particular fragrance. So I will come back. Right now, I'm still focusing on getting the things together, like I was saying on my previous videos, to talk about white musk. All right, but I did get the deer musk, which is considered black musk, just to show in my video. All right, thank you for your time. I'll see you guys later. Peace.